Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California, and I'm on experimental mode today, so just bear with me. Oops, sorry, got disturbed for a second there. So just bear with me here. I'm gonna try a little something, not even sure if this is gonna work. I painted this background in rose gold, and I'm just gonna go with this and let's see what happens here. Let's see, what am I gonna start with? Okay, start with my metallic deco art, shimmering silver from yesterday. Okay. So I'm going for a lot of negative space here. So I am not going to go too far with this. Just want to see what happens. I don't have too much black left from yesterday, so I'm just going to use what I have. Okay. And this is Joe Sonia, and this is called Husk. And I don't have much of this gold left from yesterday either. It's gold copper. And this is Joe Sonia Sea Swirl, and I mixed it with a little bit of tarragon from Joe Sonia. I wasn't sure if I was going to use this or not, but I am going to put a little bit of my Winsor Newton phthalo turquoise because I do love it. And then I'm going to go back to my silver. Okay, let me just find a little piece of paper so I can pour some of this on. So I don't have to dip inside. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I just poured some of my cell activator onto my paper here. And I'm just gonna go through it a little bit here and there. See if we could bring up some interesting cells along the way. So after all was said and done, I went back in and I changed it around a little more. I decided I did not want the rose gold in the background, and I didn't like those claws, which is what I call them at the end, over on the side. So I put some paint on the sides, and I changed it again. So this is what we got in the end. I liked it much better this way. It's a little hard to get it all. Let's see if I could get it in that way. There we go. So this is my final result. Hope you enjoyed it. Donna from Hollywood, signing off today. Good night.